Hey YouTubers, what's going on? It's Man here. This is a 1992 J&P Manufacturing 42-inch ceiling fan model M42. I got this fan brand new in the box at a garage sale for $1. It's in overall amazing condition because it was brand new, never opened, so all its parts are there and complete. The only thing that's not original is the pull chains, because I used the pull chains in another fan that's used in our house right now. Because they fit better with the fan, and these white ones fit better with this fan. The white pull chains belong to a Hampton Bay Landmark Plus I used to have, but it burned out. This fan's been installed in my room for somewhere around 2 months now. And over this 2-month period, the bearings are going bad in this fan because it wasn't used for so long that they weren't that great to begin with. And using it downstairs in my workshop, they get a little bit loud, but now that it's in here and it gets used every night, they're getting pretty loud and they're starting to make some funny sounds. So I think I'm going to have to go up there and try putting some oil in it and see if that saves it. If it doesn't save it, I might end up having to take this fan back down. Because bearing noise is one thing I don't want while I'm trying to sleep, because it kind of gets annoying, because what it's doing is it's making this little clunk sound every now and then. Like, it'll just start making all these random clunks while the fan turns. It won't slow the fan down any, but I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but it does run a considerable amount slower than it did in the last video of this fan, because the bearings are getting stiff. And the coast down time is a lot less than it used to be. So that's pretty much proof that the thing's going to need some oil. Unfortunately, I do think it's the bottom bearing that's beginning to go, and in order to oil that one, I kind of got to take the fan down because I can't really get oil into it while it's pointing downwards. But I'll try oiling a top bearing and see what that does for now. Maybe it'll get it over until I get a new ceiling fan to put up in here, which I don't know what that'll be. Plus, this fan is a bit too small for this room. But anyway, that's it for this video. So as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.